So after replacing all that K-Jet stuff on this 900 here, will it start again? I washed it and now you can really see how bad the paintwork is. That's a quick polish job there. Of course, some parts of the car need more than a polish, but let's see how she does now. If she will start without me touching the gas pedal. Wow. Well, she will not charge. My guess is that she doesn't have enough RPM because the idler control valve on this doesn't work. So I have adjusted the idle manually. So if I tap it, the gas bit, there we go. Now it charges. So wow, but it runs on 3 only. But she does run, and actually, it smells good. It does not smell like it's running rich or anything like that. It actually smells really good. She comes around. Give it a big gas, see what happens if it clears up. Bit better, but this is a definitely upgrade from before. It actually runs, and you can actually put it in drive and reverse and actually move it, and that's the most important part in my mind. That's so cool. Ah, she's starting to run now. Bit more noise out of the exhaust now. When it starts to heat up, it actually runs way better. She sounds like a goddamn diesel. Yeah, it definitely needs a set of plugs, that's for sure. But she starts, and she runs. And she runs actually, well, way better than it did before, that's for sure. Let's see how she starts up now when she has gotten a bit heat into her. Oh, no issues at all. I'm guessing the idler control valve and stuff is doing something, because now it holds a lower RPM. If I put it into reverse, how low will it drop? Oh, neutral, drive. Well, the brakes actually work, so handbrake, does that work? Oh yeah. Actually, it doesn't stick either. Yeah. Yeah, she runs actually really strong actually. Nice. Well, this car is not today's agenda. Well, there's another Saab. That thing is getting washed today. So, I have to push it outside.